If you've ever wanted to learn how to shuffle and become the dancer you've always dreamed of, welcome to the Shuffle Vault. The Shuffle Vault is your all-in-one platform to learn to shuffle with in-depth tutorials to guide you on your dance journey. Whether you're just starting out or you want to level up your flow a little bit, the Shuffle Vault is designed to meet you where you're at. And for those who don't know me, my name's Emily and I've been shuffling for 7 years. And I have taught millions of people to shuffle through my online tutorials and in-person classes. And I know how difficult and frustrating it can be when you're first starting out and learning how to shuffle. And that's why I created the Shuffle Vault, so that you had everything you need to learn how to shuffle all in one place. If you're brand new and aren't sure where to start, you can check out the Shuffling Foundations course, which is designed to take you from complete novice to feeling confident with the shuffling foundations. And if you're a more experienced shuffler, there are a ton of advanced moves, combos, choreos to really help take your shuffling to the next level. There are even guest teachers and master classes on both shuffling and other dance styles, including house dance, muzzing, and zarro. By joining the fam, you'll also be a part of a worldwide community of shufflers who have all learned to shuffle through the Shuffle Vault. Join the Shuffle Vault today and get instant access to all the tutorials, support, and community that you need to elevate your shuffle game. I can't wait to see you inside.